Hey there, Sienciers! Are you looking to make sure that your machine's movements are bang on accurate? Let me show you how easy it is with gSender's movement tuning tool. For this exercise, you'll need some tape, a pen or pencil, and something to measure with. Fire up gSender, go to the Tools tab on the left, and select Movement Tuning. Select the axis you'd like to check. In my case, I'll tune the X-axis movement, and then select Start Movement Tuning. You can mark your first location with a marker or a piece of tape, getting it as close as possible to the reference part that you'll use to measure from. In this example, I'm using the outside edge of the linear guide block. Click on Mark First Location. Input the distance you'd like to move the X-axis by, and click Move X-axis. Now measure the distance from the first marked location to where the reference part is now and input that measurement. Click Set Distance Traveled. If your machine's movements are bang on, you'll get a happy green box telling you the movements are tuned and good to go. If there's some deviation, you'll get a message suggesting you update your X-axis step per millimeters value in your firmware and by how much. You can click Update Step per Millimeter button if you'd like to accept the recommendation. If the recommended value is plus or minus 3 millimeters over the default steps, there's an issue with the calibration tool and do not accept the new values. This will cause issues. We suggest you run the movement tuning tool again and see if you get a different value. And that's how easy it is to tune the movements on your machine using gSender.